Welcome to A1 lesson number 28. Today we're going to be looking at adjectives. That's to say older than, more important than. What's the difference? Where do we put more? Where do we just put er? That's what you're going to understand. It's a comparative adjective. A comparative adjective shows a difference between two people, animals, or things. Just differences between two people, two animals, or two things. Remember, it is only about two. When there are more than two, we don't use comparative. Comparative shows the difference between two things or two people. We take the adjective, then we add er, then we add than, if it is a short adjective. When I say short adjective, this is an adjective having one syllable. A syllable is like a sound we make when we are speaking. For example, I can say among the syllables, one syllable words, we can have like tall, big, large, small. Like, how can I know a sound of a syllable which is short? It can be identified by clapping. If it is one clap, that's one syllable word, like tall, short, big, small, large, anything which you can clap once, that's a one syllable word. And we use more plus adjective plus than for long adjective. When we say long adjective, these adjectives having more than two syllables, two and more syllables. Like, for example, important. You have important. Those are three syllables. And when we say, for example, expensive, expensive, those are three. Expensive, important. You hear the sound we make it like that. Interesting, interesting. You hear we have more than two syllables. Example, John is taller than Peter. This movie is more interesting than that one. How do we form comparative? If it is one syllable word, we add er, like tall, taller, fast, faster. When they end in letter E, for example, nice or large, we add r only, like nicer, larger. Because we have E, we don't have to write E again, we just put r only. If it is a CVC word, the word which ends with consonant, vowel, consonant, we double the last consonant. Like big, this is consonant, vowel, consonant. We double the last consonant. We say bigger. So here we shall say hot, hotter. You see we have CVC, consonant, vowel, consonant. When we have more than two syllables, use more plus adjective. Beautiful, more beautiful. Expensive, more expensive. When we have what we call the irregular adjectives, they change the form completely. The irregular adjectives, they just change. You can't predict, you can't know how to formulate them. For example, good, better, bad, worse, far, farther, like that. Let's see if short adjective versus long adjectives. Small, smaller, fast, faster, old, older, short, shorter. Long adjective, interesting, more interesting, important, more important, beautiful, more beautiful, expensive, more expensive. Let's see examples in the context. For the short adjective, my car is faster than yours. Today is colder than yesterday. Long, this movie is more exciting than that one. My bag is more expensive than your bag. Irregular, English is better than mathematics. This test is worse than the last one. So you're going to fill in the blanks. You're going to complete with the correct comparative form. My house is dash dash than your house. A lion is dash dash than a cat. This book is dash dash than that one. Today is dash dash than yesterday. Sarah is dash dash at English than Mike. This is a short adjective, this is long, this is long, this is short, this is irregular adjective, and irregular adjective, you know, they change the structure, they change the form. Correct form here. You have answers, you're going to choose the best. My car is dash dash than yours. This lesson is dash dash than the last one. Dogs are dash dash than snakes. This restaurant is dash dash than that one. The weather is dash dash today. And remember, when we have adjective like difficult, difficult can be a long adjective and can also be considered as a short adjective. Difficult can take 3 syllables, or you just pronounce it as 1 syllable. And in that case, what do? You can say difficultier than, or you can even say more difficult than. The same with friend. It can be friendlier or can also be more friendly. But if for friend, we like to use more friendly. Here I'm going to put the correct comparative. My house is dash dash than yours. This exam is dash dash than the last one. Elephants are dash dash than cows. This room is dash dash than that one. The weather is dash dash than yesterday. So I'll have to say thank you so much. I hope to see you in the next video.